folks, welcome to PayPal Shop. I got some under the counter mounting lights I'm going to show you. The brand sent them to me, which is Shenzhen. They sent this to me, so let's see what's in the box. Alright, some mounting instructions, that's good. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these lights. Low profile, slim lights. Look at that. Lightweight, ultra thin. And my understanding from their page is that these things are voice controlled, and you can adjust the light from vibrant colors all the way to a really bright white light. And got a USB C to C, I guess, what that looks like. Another one. So these are going to be connect these lights together, I suppose. I don't know yet. There's a long one. It's going to be something. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to go between the lights. Got our power source, and we got some screws, some little brackets to connect them with, I guess. And we've got remote control. So let's see there. Okay, so there's your sensor. There's your remote control to set your various things. Now, when the brand sent this to me, the request was that I would do an install. So that's what I'm going to do. I just want to show you what's in the box, so that if you're purchasing this and you're wondering, well, what do I get? You get 5 of these short cords. You get a power supply, a remote control, a long cord, a little bit of hardware, and 6 of these ultra thin lamps. So if you're looking for something under your cabinet, this might be the light for you. I'm going to try it in my wife's bread cabinet, and hopefully she'll like that extra light in there, and it'll work well for us. And if it works well for us, it'll work well for you. So y'all give these a look, and look for my install video as well. In the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.